Welcome to Hidden Horror. How are you guys doing today? So today I want to talk a little bit about DNA. DNA can be found in our blood, in our semen, in our saliva, cheek cells, in our hair. It can be shed from our skin cells. It can also be in our biological material. So I want to focus in more on the Idaho floor murder case and the DNA that was found at the crime scene, 1122 King Road. Now we know we've been told that Bryan Kohberger had trace evidence touch DNA on a knife sheath on the third floor next to the body of Madison Mogen. Now we know that you can shed between about 30 to 40,000 skin cells per minute and millions daily. So this is really not significant. Skin cells can appear as small as dust throughout your house, for example, and we shed it all the time. So now let's focus on some other DNA, unknown male DNA that was found at the crime scene. We know that there was a blood stain on the handrail that leads from the first floor to the second floor. This is blood DNA. Now this is a object that is not movable, whereas we know the knife sheath is a movable object. It can be taken here and there. So we're focusing next on some more blood DNA that was found on a glove outside of the property, 1122 King Road. And then our last known set of unknown male DNA was found on victim Madison Mogen under her fingernail clippings. So we know that there was some type of testing done on all of this unknown male DNA, because we know for that DNA to be classified as male, the Y chromosome has to be there. So was this DNA processed further? And if it wasn't, what does that mean? Why wasn't it? Are they going to? At this point, more than 2.5 years after the murders, I would think they're not going to process the DNA further. And I take issue with the state of Idaho and the prosecutor for failing to process this unknown male DNA. Now, what does this make me think? I consider, with all of this unknown male DNA, are there other perpetrators, other suspects? What do you think? Let me know. Thanks for checking out this video. Bye, everybody.